Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. I hope you will be fine. Welcome to class 4th. Today we are going to study unit number 1 Geography. Lesson number 1 The Earth in Space. First of all, I discuss what is universe. Our universe is very large. It consists stars, gases, dust clouds, galaxies, planets and all living things features including us. Student, do you know the earth is the third planet of the sun? The earth is like a huge ball. It is called sphere. It is not quite round but is flattened at the top and the bottom, at the north pole and south pole. हमारी ज़मीन बिल्कुल राउंड नहीं है बल्कि साउथ पोल और नॉर्थ पोल से थोड़ी सी फ्लैट भी है. Hundred of years ago, people had various ideas about the earth. Some people thought it was flat. Most believed that the earth was at the center of the universe. They thought the sun and the planets move around the earth. But today we know quite a lot about the earth, the other planets, the sun and the star and space. Student, do you know who is astronaut? A person trained to travel in a spacecraft. Astronauts have been into space in spaceship. Man has been landed on the moon. Machines called space probes have been sent out into space and find out more about the universe. Satellite orbit the earth. They receive and send radio and television signal and gather and send information such as high quality images of space back to the earth. When we talk about the earth and its movement, we use some special words. Here are some of that you should know. First of all, orbit. Look at the picture. The path of the earth around the sun is called orbit. Second one is axis. This is imaginary lines running from the north pole to the south pole. ये ऐसी लाइनें हैं जो साउथ पोल से नॉर्थ पोल की तरफ आती हैं through the center of the earth. The earth is tilt at 23.5 degree on its axis. Next one, equator. कि इक्वेटर क्या होता है? Imaginary lines that run all the way round the middle of the earth. ये ज़मीन के बिल्कुल दरमियान से एक लाइन है, ज़मीन को दो हिस्सों में डिवाइड कर देती है. Next one, hemisphere. Hemi mean half. The equator divided the earth into the northern and southern hemisphere. Next, cardinal direction. Look at the picture. The four main points of a compass, north, south, east and west, at call cardinal directions. जो नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट है, इनको जो हम इसके लिए लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं वर्डिंग, इसलिए उसको कार्डिनल डायरेक्शन कहा जाता है. Intermediate directions. The direction in between the cardinal direction on a compass northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest are called intermediate directions. Now we discuss rotation and revolution. Rotation क्या होता है? ज़मीन के अपने मदार में एक कंप्लीट चक्कर जो है 24 आवर में लगाती है, उसको रोटेशन कहा जाता है. The earth spin on or rotate from west to east on its axis. It take 24 hours or one day it rotates once. Revolution. ज़मीन का सूरज के 1 साल में जो चक्कर कंप्लीट होता है उसको रेवोल्यूशन कहा जाता है. At the same time the earth is moving round the sun. This movement is called revolution. The earth takes a year to revolve round the sun. Student, do you know the earth has only one moon? Moon is a natural satellite. It revolves around the earth. Each complete revolution takes 28 days. Now we discuss the effect of the rotation revolution of the earth. कि रोटेशन रेवोल्यूशन का ज़मीन पे क्या असर पड़ता है, इससे क्या होता है. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. इसकी वजह से दिन और रात बनते हैं. The different season and climatic condition on the earth are caused by its revolution round the sun and by the tilt of the axis. Places that are close to equator are hot throughout the years, and that places the further away from the equator have different seasons. As the earth turns around, half of it is always facing the sun. It is daytime. The other half is darkness night. The tilt of the earth has its axis mean that in a summer, the North Pole, there is 24 hours of day for several months. In the same time, the South Pole, there is winter, there is complete darkness. The world is a huge sphere, but we use flat map to show us part of it. Map need a clear title, scale and a key to help us to understand them. You will use many different maps in this book. Here is a map of the world showing the continent and ocean. Student, you can find continent and ocean with the help of key. I hope you all have learned all this. Please do ask if you have any query. Thank you.